Alright guys, today I'm going to be doing a mystery tackle box unboxing. It's my first ever mystery tackle box. It's the Catfish edition for April. I'm going to see what we got here. Alright, so we've got our card for what's inside. First on the list is the Ramrod Floats with Stoppers by Carlisle. So it says it's for pike, muskie, saltwater catfish, and other big game fish. Saltwater Ramrod Floats by Carlisle. Says they retail for $6.50. Next we have wire leaders with Stay-Lock Snaps by Mustad. Three stainless steel wire black size 14. Stainless steel leaders from Mustad. Retails for $5.99. Next on the list is Octopus Hooks by Diachi. It is 5 6-aught octopus hooks by Diachi. Retails for $3.49. Next is chicken livers by Magic Products. Looks like a pre-made catfish bait, chicken liver. I don't usually buy or use these, don't have much luck, but we'll give them a try. They are retail for $4.99. Last on the list is stainless steel crane swivels by AFW. Retails for $3.49. It's a 10-piece number 5, rated for 220 pounds. And we have our mystery tackle box sticker and our Dibble Digest that I'll be looking into. Also, all of these products I'm going to give a try. I'll mention them in my next video as I'm using them and let you know what I think about the products. Also, coming up on 100 subscribers. Once I reach 100 subscribers, I'll be doing a giveaway, and I'll do another video letting you know when that happens. As always, thanks for watching.